Gause Garage coming to you from Chrysler Nationals, Carlisle, Pennsylvania, 2023. You may have heard about them, you may have seen them, you may have heard the stories. My brother's uncle used to have one, but here is one, a Sport Fury with a V code 446 pack. Yes, they made them, damn few of them. The estimate is fewer than 200. I'm not sure if anybody really knows the number, but this one's fully documented. And there you have it, a factory 446 pack in the C body. So you're talking large car performance. It's B7 blue in premium condition. And according to the owners, they estimate less than 200 of them are made.
I'd rather go that way, to be honest with you. I'm done.
So if you take a look at the trim, the lenses, Sport Fury GT, beautiful B7 paint, raised white letters. This is like it just rolled out of the factory in 1970, and albeit it's got one hell of an engine and a power plant in it. And yes, folks, you have now seen one fully documented, as close to factory as you're going to get, and that is your Sport Fury V Code 446 pack. This is Gause Garage coming to you from Chrysler Nationals, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Thank you.